Good morning, boys and girls. Today I am going to show you something special. This week you guys are learning about the seasons, and last week you learned about weather. So what I did was that I created 4 trees, and they each represent a season. And how I did that, which you can do at home, is that you can trace your hand. Okay, you can trace your fingers to make a tree. So first, let's go with the first season, which is winter. All right, let's see if you remember. What takes place in this season? Pause the video, like we always do, and tell the person next to you, what happens during this season? Well, something that takes place during the season is that it snows. Well, actually, boys and girls, it doesn't snow in Florida. But in other states like New York, Pennsylvania, it snows during winter. But something else that takes place is that it's cold. It's a little bit colder than the other season, frost, right? So you can decorate your tree, right? And you can put cotton, right, to represent the snow. And here we have a tree for winter. The temperature in the winter is cold. Now let's talk about spring. Well, spring, boys and girls, a lot of you love to draw rainbows, and usually it happens during spring because in spring it rains a lot, right? And that's when the flowers and stop blooming. They're not too green, and the flowers are not that bright. They're just blooming. Okay, so the flowers might look a little bit pale during the season. Okay, and the temperature. How's the temperature during this season? Pause the video one more time and just discuss with the person next to you. How's the weather? So the weather is warm, right? It's not cold, it's not hot, but it's warm. And so you can decorate your tree for spring by putting flowers, right? A little bit of flower because it doesn't have spring, and during springtime there's not that many flowers. They just started blooming. All right, let's talk about now summer, boys and girls. What takes place during summer? Think about it. A lot of you love this season because I have spoken to you before in class, and a lot of you have told me that you love the summer. Well, during the summer, how's the weather? Is it cold? Is it warm? Pause the video again. Go ahead and tell the person next to you. Well, boys and girls, the weather is hot. That's because it's summer, and a lot of you love to go to the beach during this time, right? Now, during the summer, the flowers, they are totally bloomed. So that means that they have a lot of color, right? The leaves are very green. So everywhere we go, we see the trees full of flowers. As you see, during the summer, all the flowers are out, and it's hot, and it's very sunny. All right, let's go to the last season, which is fall. What takes place during fall? Well, boys and girls, fall, the temperature is not as hot as summer. It's cool, and it is windy. That's how so many leaves fall, right? And what are the colors? We have different colors. Boys and girls, you can use different colors to decorate this tree. For example, I chose red, brown, green, and orange. And what you can do is just color it around. And here you can see all the colors: orange, red, green, brown, right? And we know that during the season, the leaves fall, okay? And boys and girls, do you know that today is Sweepy's birthday? He's he's 14 today. Sweepy, come here. Sweepy, come here. Come. Everybody can see you. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. So we can see you. Today is his birthday. Hi, Sweepy. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday, Sweepy. Bye, boys and girls. Have an awesome day. Love you.